Hello, lovelies. Okay, this is not the most ideal way to show these, but the hanks are finally dry. They took a while to dry because it's been rainy and actually snow and hail out the last couple days. But yeah, this is the hanks dry, and I will also hank them up so that you could see them hanged. I think they came out pretty cool. Pretty nice, eh? Anyway, yeah, I might do some more today because it's another cold, yucky day, and I don't feel like cleaning, so I'll dye yarn instead. Yeah, love you guys, and I'm gonna hank them up and either take a picture or keep videotaping. Alrighty, so I hanked them up. I think they look pretty nice. I'm really loving these guys here. They just remind me of flames. And these are really pretty too, the blue and purple, and then we got purple and black. Yeah, so I think they came out all right. I'm real happy with them, and I will absolutely do more. This particular yarn, which was I think Snowdrift, super washed merino, and I think nylon, I don't know. The tags are downstairs. I got to put the tags back on them, but this yarn, I think it's a sock weight. It like soaked up the dye so quick, so easily, was a lot of fun, was actually easy to rinse out, because sometimes, especially like blacks and blues and reds, those are really a pain to rinse out because they just keep on rinsing, rinsing, rinsing. But these actually rinsed out. They I guess your word is struck real nice on there. And you guys have sent me some other great ideas for colorways and things to do. So I'm totally stoked. Keep it up with the suggestions, because I'm having a lot of fun trying to, do the things that you guys are asking, because they're things that I wouldn't have thought of myself. So again, I really truly appreciate that. Hey, have a yarnalicious day. And I hope you enjoy the little videos of me dyeing the yarn. They are fun for me to make, and it also helps document what I'm doing, because my brain is kind of there's big holes in my brain, I guess. I don't know. All right, I love you guys. Bye bye for now.